Civica is a non-profit generic drug company, and we were started because for more than a decade now, there has not been a reliable supply of the essential medicines that every hospital in the country needs. And so a group of hospitals and 3 philanthropies came together, and they said, we need an organization that will fix this problem. And so they created Civica to provide a reliable supply of the injectable drugs that hospitals use every day. The Civica facility here in Petersburg is an absolutely state-of-the-art, sterile, injectable drug manufacturing facility. It's about 140,000 square feet. It will have 3 filling lines, one for filling vials, one for filling syringes for hospital use, and one for filling cartridges that go into insulin pens. We will make dozens of different drugs here, products that are used in every aspect of healthcare, used in intensive care, acute care medicine, and so on, as well as insulin that will be shipped to pharmacies around the country. Here in Petersburg, we are on a pharmaceutical campus. So our facility will make the finished dosage form of the drug, the vials or the pre-filled syringes. But right across the street, we've got a couple of facilities that are set up to make the active pharmaceutical ingredient that goes into the finished dosage form. And these days, often the API, as we call it, is made in China or in India. So having an API facility here in the United States, right across the road from the facility that's making the finished drug, is uncommon and we think a competitive advantage. When you talk to people about the price of drugs and the way it goes up year after year, the one that always comes up is insulin. Every year the price that they've had to pay has gone up and up and up. And for us at Civica, our mission is to serve patients, and we looked at that and said insulin should not cost that much. And so we've expanded the mission to lowering the cost for consumers at the pharmacy counter. The site we're standing on went from being a field of pine trees to a finished pharmaceutical manufacturing facility in 2 years. And part of the reason that we were able to move as fast as we were is we had a really good partnership with the city of Petersburg. They understood the importance of the project. They made themselves available. We had weekly meetings that brought all the departments together. They have really promised us one timeline and then they've beat it, and that doesn't happen very often. We're really excited to be in Petersburg, to be building a big capital project here and creating good jobs is something that we're really proud of. We've also been able to form strong partnerships with local educational institutions. We're not just hiring, but we're creating a workforce pipeline and career opportunities for people in the community. So bringing back a source of quality, reliable medications to the U.S. is not only good for the economy, but it's good for the safety of our patients and the security of our health system.